Hello everyone, time for another Thursday throwback. I have a fun flower card for you, and I am using Rose Red and Emerald Envy, two colors that retired quite a while ago. Join me in the studio to see how I made today's card. For today's card, I'm using a scrap of gold that I'll be punching out of. I have a piece of designer series paper, and I have no clue which one it came from. It's been quite a while ago, and I don't have the package anymore. I have a piece of rose red that's 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of white that is 3 3/4 by 5. My card base is white, and it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. I have a scrap of rose red, a scrap of emerald envy. I have my 1/2 inch circle punch, and I have this flower punch that retired a while ago also. So if you have some of these punches, pull them out and let's make this card. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to punch out my 1/2 inch circle from my Emerald Envy. I'm going to punch 3 of these. I don't know how many I'll need, so I'm just going to punch 3, and we'll see how it goes. Now, from my rose red, I'm going to punch out 4 of these because I'm going to make 2 flowers. Let's see, can I get this one down here? Yep. Okay. And let's get started with putting our flowers together. All right, I'm going to put some glue in the center of each of them, and I am staggering them. Watch your petals. Get them as close as you can to being even. I find if I have 2 up and 1 down, then the other one needs to be 1 up and 2 down. And I watch my centers and match them up as best I can. So there's our flower. Oops, I need another center. I messed up on that one. There we go. Now I'm going to add the center to my flowers. And the gold is the center. All right, so I've got my flowers made. Now, we're going to use these to make the leaves. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut off one of the leaves on each of the 2 of them. So I'm just cutting off 1 leaf. And then I'm going to do this with glue dots because I just think it'll be easier to do the glue dots. So I'm going to add a glue dot here and here. And I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to add the first flower or the first leaf between the 2 petals like so. Let's do the same thing with this one. So you want the flower in the middle of the 2 leaves. And I don't know if I can do this, if it's going to be, I think I can, but I'll need to use glue for this. I may not need this one. Let's try it and see. I'm going to add a little bit of glue here and here. You don't want a lot because you don't want it to squirt out. Remember in kindergarten you used to dump a half a bottle of glue on things? Well, you don't need to do that with this glue. All right, so there's my other leaf. And I'm going to put this one here. Like so. So there are my 2 leaves. Now let's get our card put together. I'm going to fold and burnish my card base. Get some of this out of the way so I have some space to work in. All right, and my card is portrait. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pattern paper and I'm going to add it to the back. All right, like so. I'm coming down close to the bottom and I'm matching up my sides, and that'll ensure that it's fairly straight. All right, now I've got to get this corner. It's sticking up because there's no glue. All right, now that I've held it and it's good to go, I'm going to add some glue to the back of my panel here. Like so. And then this panel is going to go on here. Like so. All right, and now my flowers go on. Now, I did not put a sentiment on mine. You can shop your stash, see what you have, and add a sentiment to your card. I try to do mine plain because then I can use it for any occasion I want. All right, get that piece off, and one in the middle. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And I got to cut some more. And let me add my 2 dimensionals here and take the backs off. Now, when you do this, hold your pieces carefully so that you don't pull them apart, especially if the glue hasn't dried. All right, so there we have it, and I'm going to put 1 flower here and the other flower here. And there you have today's Throwback Thursday idea. I hope you enjoyed today's Throwback Thursday idea. Don't forget, check out Amanda's to see what she has. If you want this kit, order it quickly because there's only 5 kits. The link to order is in the information section below. See you next Thursday with another Throwback Thursday idea. Bye.